Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Switching gears to talk about the weather now, and it's a stormy day. Coastal areas dealing with some gusty winds and heavy rainfall. Wave heights building to over 10 feet at times along the Rhode Island shoreline, even higher eastern Massachusetts from this nor'easter. Right now, it's rain, and it's been coming down moderate to heavy throughout the morning as we've been tracking this on our live radar. Back and forth between rain and snow in the Hartford area and Worcester, really adding up there, especially those higher elevations of northern Worcester County. This rain starting to lift northward. It's a slow process, but the southwest part of the state in a little bit of a lull, and that may make its way as far north as Providence. The rain's really been adding up. We've got about 1 to 3 inches on average of rain, and some areas now topping 3 inches of just rainfall. We will switch gears here as the temperatures start to drop this afternoon. A change over to wet snow is expected. Accumulations begin during the late day and evening, first in northern Rhode Island, and then towards the evening hours, Providence and Point South. And tonight we will see accumulating snow for a little while. It'll start to taper off after midnight. Slick travel and gusty winds a concern for tonight and into tomorrow morning. Some lingering impacts in terms of some slippery road conditions as temperatures will be sitting near freezing. So it's been a rainy morning commute. This evening's commute expecting to see wet snowfall. Temperatures still in most areas above freezing. The sun setting at 6:51, and as we get into the evening hours, winds will be picking up and those falling temperatures will allow for some additional winter weather hazards for us. But low pressure right now going to rapidly intensify as it lifts east of Cape Cod. The unusual part of this forecast is that it does start to kind of loop around in the Gulf of Maine before eventually moving away. And exactly how close that comes to the coastline, when that loop occurs, will help determine that changeover to snowfall for eastern and southeastern areas. Right now, that east wind going to be gusty this morning. We'll see it ease up for a time and then pick back up in the late day. 41 degrees currently in Providence, and it's 46 in New Bedford. So we are very mild as far as getting any wintry weather in here to start the day. But the temperatures begin to fall this afternoon. You can see that mix and change over to snowfall. And while you make it into a little bit of a lull in the southern parts of Rhode Island, watch what happens. That snow starts to fill back in as the temperatures begin to cool. So kids heading home from school today, expected to be in the middle and upper 30s. There won't be much in any way in the way of any accumulations, except for maybe far northern Rhode Island by that point. It's towards the evening commute and beyond that we'll start to see this sticking on the grass and car tops initially. You may even get a little slush on the road. 6 o'clock this evening, about 35 degrees in Providence. Notice how those snow showers start to taper off overnight, and we'll be back to some drier weather tomorrow. So about 4 to 7 inches of snow northwest Rhode Island, Providence metro area, Pawtucket, Attleboro, Taunton. You're in that 2 to 4 inch range, and about 2 to 4 inches in Coventry and West Greenwich, West Warwick as well. You get into South County, Jamestown, Newport, the East Bay, Fall River, and New Bedford. We're looking around 1 to 2 inches of snow. Wind gusts, they're going to pick up 35 to possibly 50-mile-an-hour gusts expected. That's around between 8 and 11 p.m. this evening is when I expect some of the strongest winds. They'll be out of the north and northwest. Concern is for northwest Rhode Island, especially anywhere where we get over 4 inches of snow. That's where it weighs down the lines and the trees and could cause some power outages or wind damage. We'll be watching for that late this evening and tonight. Wednesday is drier, lower 40s for highs. Thursday's high near 50 with sunshine. It's the pick of the work week.